So mysterious that the metal is gone, this one, to hold this like that. So we still have this intact. This one here, it's good. I got the O-ring. So I don't know where this metal, let me just get this O-ring here. So we have to press and then rotate. There. Then rotate. There you go. So not really sure why this metal is gone. So now we can have this put back. And it goes in here. Okay, so the vibration is for the first few minutes. So I think we're good. I will check now, go out. I'm inside the basement. There's some dripping going. So we will just tighten this a little bit. Oh, it's already tightened. Still leaking? No, the pressure has built up. No, it's tight already. We're good.